Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading Corporation. What we're showing you today, this is a Thielco or a CGA Precision Scientific two-door incubator, as you can see. We've been running it for about 10 hours so far, and we initially start by running the unit to its maximum temperature, which is supposed to be 70 C. It actually runs a little bit above that, reaches about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The unit has two front doors, as you can see, and two internal glass doors, and both can operate open independently of the doors. Has an all stainless steel interior, of course. You can see in here we're showing about 40 degrees C right now, running about a mid temperature, just to make sure we can hold that. And you can see now they've opened the doors. You see the indicator light coming on, indicating that the heaters come on. That's in response to my opening the doors and changing the temperature internally. Also, another nice feature, you can keep one door open and use that as well. It's operating on 120 volt single phase. We have lots of laboratory ovens, incubators, refrigerators, and other lab-related equipment like furnaces as well in our stock. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And you can just click on the menu on the left side of the home page and go right to ovens and see everything we have in stock right now. We look forward to speaking with you, and thanks for joining us today.